there we are. I mean, I'm here. Well, guys, well, I just arrived. This is Waldlob entrance. This is an old bar, abandoned, but once was very awesome bar. Well, here's my dad's truck. I stolen, just borrowed. But yes, this is a small shop. A lot of rich and billionaires. Yes, I say billionaire guys come here. Right now, I don't see any exotic cars because all of them maybe are sleeping. But I already see a BMW M6 of 2008. I see a Range Rover Evoque, and yeah, I'm gonna around. Yeah, for you guys can see. Oh, hang on tight. Let's go. Guys, I forgot to say, today it's not just vlog, it's also lifestyle. This is where rich billionaires lives. I said that before I leave my house. Well, my parents' house. I don't have my house yet. So check this out. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I gotta get my dad truck again and go around. Maybe you're gonna like this. So guys, here I am. These two houses I'm gonna show you. There are two prototypes of future houses. They contain intelligent computer, AI. This own house has the own security, private security, has a own elevator, as you guys can see. I don't know, I never go there, but even this house have own access to the golf camp, to playing golf. It's a very beautiful house, security very tight. And some houses have a private military, PMC, private military contract. The military is Blackwater. I don't know if any time I've heard, but yeah, they are also in Portugal. Look for this view. On access, and even though the gate is open. Well, let's go around. Let's see the second house. I know this house contains a Lamborghini. I'm not sure if it's a Sesto Elemento or it is a Huracan. I'm not sure. Constructing houses over there, as you can see. My battery is getting low. I forgot to charge last night, but still it's a good battery. So this is the second house, guys. Look at this. Even they have our own palm tree inside. Look at this, it's amazing. Beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. I don't know, you guys, you can see through the fence, but the fence is very tight. They have our own pool. Look for this. Look at this. My god. So guys, I don't know what is this, but maybe you can answer me. What the hell is this? I don't know. Maybe a communication tower or for security. Don't know. Far away is another particular house. I think it's a rental house for small holidays. Yeah, I can walk through there. I'm gonna jump. Hey, here I am. Big jump. Look for this view. This is amazing. Aircraft. Oh, come on, really? What happened? Forget. Problem with the camera, guys. Don't get in mind. Ah, see him. Yep, it's a Transavia. It's a Holland company. Well, as you can see, these guys has a big three pools. One is there, descend for another one, and will descend for another one. And there's another, I think it's been constructed in that side. I don't have show. I think it's finished. But last summer was in construction. So hang on, guys. I'm gonna give you another jump. Here we are. So look for the inside. Look inside. It's amazing. I'll never go through, but I think it's no problem to check. Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Never saw this before. They have own elevators, own things. I don't know if this is any problem, but I never go. So yeah, I go up, guys. I hope the battery can hold. Oh, my first time inside this building. Has a good smell and a fresh air. Whoa. Oh my God. It's not a big view, but it's also beautiful, guys. But yeah. Well, time to go, guys. Now I'm going down here. Here we are. Okay. You see the building is very beautiful. Yeah. And there's another houses. Oh Jesus, guys! This I can record this whole thing because this is very huge. This is big. So I go out around, go other place of Lobo, guys. Maybe you can see and like. So I'm going back to my father truck. Sorry. I'm a little rusty of my English. Come on, let's go. Guys, I just arrived to Quinta do Lago and look for this beast. Oh yeah, a Ferrari. But I say Ferrari. It's Portuguese. This one. Oh. In far away, I thought this was a Corvette, a Chevy Corvette. but it isn't. But look what this one. This is first exotic I see in this day, and there's something here, like two flags. Maybe, yeah, one is Ferrari, other maybe Spanish, I'm not sure. But look at this. It's awesome. Well, I hope I can see it work in the engine, so...
Quer levá-lo?
Ah, bom dia. Não, mas estou a filmar, pronto, já tenho um canal de YouTube, e então... Time to hear the music, guys. Bom, esta gente aqui é os donos do Ferrari. Fantástico. Oh.
Podemos ir entrar?
Ah, sim, sim.
Tem lá cotas pequeninos.
Gosto de ouvir, gosto de ouvir.
Boa praia, boa praia.
Também?
Ah.
Tchau, felicidade.
Ah, muito obrigado. Tenham o resto do bom dia.
Igualmente, muito obrigada.
Oh, oh meu Deus. Oh my God, guys. Well, one is down. Time to go back to my dead truck, Toyota Power. Well, guys, I also have something to say. Well, you know, I have my Volkswagen, the old car, but maybe before this year ends, my new car, I hopefully, arrives at times. It's a Toyota GT86 TRD version. What a TRD means is Toyota Racing Development. So, guys, I will continue. Wanna search for more, so stay there. I will right back. There it goes again. Porsche. My God. Oh. Oh man. So beautiful. Oh. Hey. Looks like some of my lucky days, guys. Oh, yeah, just full stop. Oh my God. Let me go to do full review. Yeah, I am, guys. Well, it's a little sad, but to be honest, the security guys, no, they not kick me. No, just talk to me. They no longer, it's no longer public to record. So yeah, they say it's no longer allowed to footage or record. So yeah, a little sad. But yeah, I have to go home. Maybe change car because my father just need the truck. Yeah, but it's all right. We'll keep continuing. So stay there. I'll be right back. Guys, look at this Ferrari. Oh my god. Oh, battery's very low, guys. I'm gonna switch for my phone. Oh my god. Good morning, guys. I just awake. I have bad news. When I was editing the videos, some videos was corrupt. So the Vegas Pro, I don't know what happened. It happens at first time at all of us. It says the video was corrupt, so I'm very sad. I hope next time don't happen these situations again. So guys, have a nice day. Today is 25th of April. It's a Liberty Day of Portugal. So see you next video, guys. Once more, my apologies for what happened.